painted the doors again. This is the second epoxy primer. I block sanded the first 3 coats of epoxy primer because they were minor imperfections, and this door I got pretty great. This door was a very easy door to complete. Block sanded it with 180, and then this door needs a little more work. There's slight imperfections still showing, but since they were so minor between both doors, I decided to do the blocking sanding with just epoxy. After this blocking, I will be spraying it with the high build, but it's pretty much ready, aside to very minute imperfections. Now for the second prime with the epoxy, I didn't want to spray the underside, so you see that I put a tape all along the edges, and that was placed there so that when I'm spraying, this will prevent the spray, the paint, from going to the bottom half of the door. And I did that all the way around the perimeter of the door because I didn't want to spray the bottom half, since the bottom half of the door does not need any body work, since those are parts that are hidden when the door is closed. So you'll see that I put tape all around the edges. So yeah, that's what I did. So now all I have to do now is I'm going to do my second blocking, and I'm going to do a light block for this door, and then see if I can sand out the imperfections left from the bodywork, and then I should be spraying it with high build. I also took the liberty in painting these detent rollers for the doors. I wanted to epoxy them to protect them from rust in the future. These go on the car body portion of the hinges, and I wanted to get them protected. I won't be high build priming this, obviously. This is going on the car just the way it is, and then when I paint the car the color, I'll do a little fine misting to give them a little color, but it's not really necessary, since those areas, those detent will not show. So there's the doors. I'm going to do the second blocking. This door came out beautiful. This is the driver's side door. Came out beautiful, nice and straight. So there's the doors, and next time I spray, they should be in high build primer.